The Rockford Fosgate Prime Series is widely marketed as an affordable entry point into aftermarket car audio. With the brand's reputation and budget-friendly pricing, these speakers are a popular choice for factory replacements. But while they seem like a step up from stock, the Prime Series has several critical flaws that limit their performance and long-term satisfaction. First, the sound quality is mediocre at best. While the Prime Series may deliver a slight improvement over factory speakers, the audio remains flat and lacks detail. The highs are thin, the mids lack warmth, and the low-end presence is virtually non-existent. Even casual listeners may find the sound uninspiring, especially when played at higher volumes. Second, the build materials are entry-level. The polypropylene cones and basic rubber surrounds are not built for durability or performance. Over time, especially in hot or humid climates, the materials degrade quickly, leading to buzzing, distortion, or outright failure. These are not speakers designed for heavy or extended use, and they rarely hold up beyond a year or two in daily driving conditions. Third, they have very low power handling. With RMS ratings typically in the 35 to 55 watt range, the Prime Series cannot handle amplification well. Even a modest aftermarket amp can overpower them, causing distortion or permanent damage. Without amplification, they sound underwhelming. With it, they're easily pushed past their limits, a lose-lose situation for users looking to build a balanced system. Fourth, installation is often misleading. While advertised as drop-in replacements, the Prime Series can present fitment issues in factory speaker locations. Shallow mounting depths, odd bracket sizes, and stiff terminals can make installation more frustrating than expected, especially in compact or irregular factory mounts. Fifth, the speakers lack tuning flexibility. With no built-in tweeter attenuation, crossover adjustments, or integration features, the Prime Series performs poorly in more advanced systems. Users looking to fine-tune their sound or match these speakers with components often find themselves limited and disappointed with the lack of adjustability. In conclusion, Rockford Fosgate's Prime Series may be tempting due to its price and brand reputation, but the performance, durability, and overall value are lacking. These speakers serve as a basic upgrade, but they fall short for anyone expecting clean, punchy sound or long-term reliability. If you care about quality audio, it's worth investing a bit more in a better engineered alternative.